Wait, what?
You had this turned that way.
Yeah.
Well, and the book says turn this part from here to here, this way, and then this part turn that way, because it comes up from the center.
What book?
The book that comes with the dishwasher.
Where's the book at?
Well, I don't need it.
Is there a video?
No video.
Can I watch the video on it? No.
No video.
All right, so is it ready? Can I start it?
No.
Oh.
It's not half full yet.
Yeah, but then the dishes are done.
No.
No.
You wait until you have a decent... You don't want to waste all that water.
Yep. Water's expensive.
It all adds up.
What does?
Little bills here and there and everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Pay for water, pay for gas, electric, telephone, internet,
Medicine,
trash.
ambulance rides, co-pays at the hospital.
You pay for everything.
It all comes around.